You can see this four building blocks of OOPS: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, right? So these are the four features of OOPS we have to remember. We should never forget that, because it's give you a lot of strength to your programs. So abstraction. Grady Butch defined the encapsulation features as: an abstraction denotes the essential characteristics of an object that distinguishes it from all other kinds of objects, and thus provide crisply defined conceptual boundaries related to the perspective of the viewer, right? So abstraction means, uh, if I have one object and that object can be have a different view for me, for you it could be different, for other it could be different, right? But object is same. So for one object there's a different view, so it vary from individual to individual for the same object, and that is what abstraction, because that abstraction is highlighting the essential characteristics for that particular viewers, right? So the concept of abstraction implemented in object-oriented programming by creating a classes. So we create class and we make some public data and we expose the data, so uh, they can see, they can access it, right? So we have a public concept, and all it depends now. I give you an example. Let us say you are going for somewhere to purchase. Consider you are going to purchase one television, and then you are just looking the television. So what you will see in that television? The only the picture, right? Quality and sound quality and all, remote control and all you will see. You will never see the circuits which is inside running, right? Or which has been made. You will not say to the shopkeeper that can you open this circuits and I want to just see whether it is a new circuits or old circuit, like that, right? So for that television you are supposed to see the screens and all, right? So for that object, that is the abstraction for you. But at the same time, let us you have brought the television and you're just watching something IPL and all, and then you are, let us say, uh, that time it's not working, something happens, some fuse is gone or some problem happened to the television. What you will do? So at that time you will call the engineer, and engineer will come, and what he will see, he will not see the picture quality and sound quality. He will just open the circuits and check what circuit is damaged now, and he will repair it, right? So for him abstraction is different, for that guy abstraction is different, right? So that is what abstraction. For one object, abstraction vary individual to individual. Okay. Next we'll talk about the encapsulations. So Grady Butch again defines what encapsulation is. What encapsulation is: the process of hiding all the details of an object that do not contribute to its essential characteristics. So if we are going for purchasing television, what happened? All the circuits are hidden from you because you are not required. So all these stuffs are hidden now. So okay, now so hiding information or data hiding is encapsulation. So we can hide some functionality, we can hide some properties with the help of some private stuff in our programming language protected, which help us to hide the properties and data. So if you can see this ATM machine, in the ATM machine you're not getting all the informations, right? So a lot of information are hidden from you. Just go and withdraw your cash, right? Only sometimes you generate mini statement. Okay. Next is the inheritance. What is that? It helps you to create a new object, or we can say creating a new class from existing class is what inheritance. I just give you one example here. You are having washing machine, right? Earlier we were using washing machine. Now we are using fully automatic washing machine. Is it a new invention? No. Same object is taken from here and they have added some features, right? Some features, and they are saying that okay, this is the automatic washing machine. So we can create a new object from existing one easily. So that is what inheritance features we are having. Next, if we talk about the polymorphism, as I said, I just given one example that one object reacting different in a different situation is a polymorphism. Poly means many, morphous means form. So if an object is having many form is a polymorphism. And we can say here in the case of washing machine, automatic washing machine, we are having some functionality, let us say spin, dry, wash. So if I say wash, it is washing. If I say spin, it is spinning. So it is all polymorphism example, right? Now in the case of programming concern, let us say we are having some functionality here, and this is what inheritance we are having. In polymorphism, I just give you one example here. So if you can see this, like let us say you are having a class calci, okay, calculator, open, close. Now you are having here method say add, and then you are saying int, okay, and then again you are saying int, three arguments, right? Again you are saying here add, and then you are saying double int, okay. Again you are saying add uh, double, right? Again you are saying add, and then you are writing here say something like to integer, okay. So now there is a four methods I have. All the methods name is what? Same, add, right? So if I want to call this, I need to create object of calci, right? Let us say calci x equal to new calci. So we are creating object here now, and then we are doing here x dot add and passing value 10, 20. So what do you think? Which method will call here? Obviously this say last one, right? If I say x dot add and I say 9.5 comma 10.7, so in this case the third one will call automatically, right? And now again I say x dot add, I just pass 3 comma 2 comma 9 comma just three values, right? So in that case first will getting invoked here, right? So this first method will get call at this line. So look at here, this is the one object I have, x, but sometimes it is adding two numbers, two integers, sometimes it is adding two decimal numbers, sometimes it is adding three number. What is this? It is a polymorphism, right? Now how we can implement polymorphism? So we have to use method overloading. So I'm writing the same method again and again, right? Many times with different argument, and this is called method overloading, right? This is called method overloading. Okay. So I hope you understood the polymorphism. So there is not only one way to implement polymorphism, not only method overloading. There is one concept of method overriding also. I'll explain you. So